Hey guys, it's Video Gamer 52100. I haven't made a video in a long time, so I'm just kind of like starting back up since I was busy. So, today I thought I'd do a smoke detector video and basically show all these alarms. I don't have any 9-volt batteries on me right now, but thought I could at least show these. So, these are, of course, the mounting wires that were originally taken out. And actually, these were my old smoke detectors. These are the mounting plates. So, first alarm. This is a Firex 120 538B. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty hazy. Yeah, it is pretty hazy. Of course, the battery thing, where you could put the 9-volt in. Okay, now, second alarm. This is also a 120 538B. I don't know if you can see that. So, I don't exactly know if these still work or not. Last time they were installed, they worked, but now this final one is a 120 107 2B. This actually is pretty different compared to the other ones because you don't have that little dot at the top. And this actually is the newest of them all because this one was located in the basement, and one of these were upstairs and the other one was down in the kitchen. So, but we recently, we took these out about a year ago and we replaced them with brand new Firexes. We actually put a dual sensor in the kitchen, which fits out just nice, but it's the loudest of them all. I'll probably put a video up sometime. But, that's basically all these alarms. And in the near future, I plan to, get some, siren stuff. I'm actually thinking about it. I'm trying to save some money right now, but thought I'd just start back over again. And unfortunately, I missed one of the tornado warnings, so I couldn't get out there to record the sirens, which kind of was a little bit of a bummer. But, so, that basically includes my video. So, this is Video Gamer 52100 signing out. Thanks for watching. And I don't know if you can see my face right there. So, thanks. Have a great day.